ABC Speaking Academy.
Hello, everyone. My name is Lily, and I'm super excited to share everything about myself with you. I'm 7 years old, and I have a world full of things I love to do and discover. Come along with me as I tell you all about who I am and what makes me, well, me. I'm a curious and creative girl who loves to explore the world around me. One of my favorite things to do is read books. Whether it's diving into magical adventures with Harry Potter or learning about fascinating animals in National Geographic Kids, I can spend hours lost in the pages of a good book. When I'm not reading, you'll often find me drawing and coloring. I love expressing myself through art and creating beautiful masterpieces that make me smile. Family and friends mean everything to me. I have a loving family who always supports me and encourages me to chase my dreams. My mom and dad are my biggest cheerleaders, and my little brother is my partner in crime. I also have amazing friends who make every day an adventure. We love playing games, exploring nature, and having fun together. Whether we're laughing, playing, or simply enjoying each other's company, I cherish every moment spent with my loved ones. When I grow up, I dream of becoming a scientist. I'm fascinated by the mysteries of the universe and the wonders of nature, and I want to spend my life exploring and discovering new things. Whether it's studying the stars in the night sky or conducting experiments in a laboratory, I can't wait to dive into the world of science and make groundbreaking discoveries that will change the world. But no matter where life takes me, I know that as long as I stay true to myself and follow my passions, I'll be happy and fulfilled. Thank you for joining me on this journey to discover all about me. I hope you enjoyed learning about my interests, my family and friends, and my dreams for the future. Remember, each one of us is unique and special in our own way, and that's what makes life so wonderful. Until next time, keep being your amazing selves and never stop exploring the incredible world around you.